If you're shopping for an SUV in 2026 and comfort and safety are your top priorities, this list is built specifically for you. We're not ranking these by horsepower or cargo volume. We're ranking them by what actually matters for older drivers, how easy it is to get in and out, how well it protects you in a crash, and how little it demands from you while driving. Let's get into it. The Trax is the most affordable SUV on this list, and it earns its place. At the active trim level, around $25,400, you get an 8-way power driver's seat with lumbar support, heated front seats, and a solid suite of driver assistance features. It's simple by design, which works in its favor. Fewer complicated menus, fewer buttons to search for. If budget is a priority and you want a no-fuss daily driver, the Trax delivers. The 2026 Sportage got a refresh, dual 12.3-inch displays, updated safety aids, and more standard features across trims. What stands out for older drivers specifically is the interior layout, physical buttons for key functions, wide door openings, and clear outward visibility. The AWD models sit slightly higher, which makes entry a touch easier. It also comes as a hybrid and plug-in hybrid, so fuel costs stay manageable. Edmunds rates it 7.9 out of 10, the highest score among compact SUVs on this list. The HR-V is a step down in size from the CR-V, but it trades almost nothing in practicality. Large door openings and a well-thought-out interior make it easy to get settled quickly. The infotainment system is straightforward, and outward visibility is strong in all directions. The front seats could offer more support in higher trims, which is worth noting if you have back issues. But for everyday driving, the HR-V handles well and keeps running costs low. For 2026, the Crosstrek adds a hybrid model, up to 36 miles per gallon combined, which is rare in the subcompact segment. All trims include EyeSight, Subaru's driver assist package, automatic emergency braking, lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and evasive steering assistance. The elevated seat height makes entry and exit straightforward. One honest caveat: the seats lack firm support, which can become an issue on longer drives. But for shorter trips and daily use, it punches well above its price point. Buick's quiet tuning technology is real. The cabin noise levels in the Encore GX are noticeably lower than competitors at this price. That matters on long drives. The ride height sits in the sweet spot. Not so low you're dropping into the seat, not so high you're climbing. The 11-inch touchscreen is intuitive, and physical controls for key functions are retained. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. All-wheel drive is available if you need it in wet conditions. The Forester is one of the easiest SUVs to get in and out of, period. The front seat access is among the best in the class, making it a standout for anyone with limited mobility. The roofline is high, the windows are large, and the outward visibility from the driver's seat is excellent. Standard all-wheel drive gives you confidence in rain or light snow without needing to upgrade trims. EyeSight comes on every Forester. Cargo capacity reaches 76 cubic feet with seats folded, more than enough for road trips or airport runs. The CR-V consistently ranks at the top of senior driver lists, and the 2026 model earns that position. Wide opening doors, low step in height, and a roomy cabin make entry and seating comfortable. Honda sensing is standard across all trims and includes collision mitigation, braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, and lane keeping. NHTSA gives it a 5-star overall safety score, and IIHS named it a top safety pick. The hybrid variant returns 37 miles per gallon combined, which matters for drivers on fixed incomes watching fuel costs. The 2026 RAV4 is fully redesigned, and now every trim comes with a hybrid powertrain standard, returning up to 48 miles per gallon city and 42 miles per gallon highway. That's a significant upgrade. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is included across the board. Automatic emergency braking, lane centering, adaptive cruise, and a traffic sign reader. The XLE trim adds blind spot monitoring. US News rated the RAV4 infotainment system as one of the best in any vehicle class this year. The ride is composed, visibility is good, and the controls are familiar and intuitive. Reliability history for RAV4 is excellent. Fewer trips to the shop matters as much as anything else on this list. The Outback is completely redesigned for 2026. It's now officially classified as an SUV rather than a wagon, and the changes address real pain points. The ride height is optimized for easy entry and exit. The cabin uses better materials, offers more interior space, and the infotainment system is significantly easier to navigate than previous generations. Standard all-wheel drive and above-average ground clearance give it genuine capability in poor weather. Seats are supportive for longer drives, and forward collision warning with adaptive cruise control are standard. If you drive in areas with unpredictable weather or occasionally venture on gravel roads, the Outback handles all of it without demanding anything extra from the driver. The Lincoln Aviator takes the top spot for one primary reason. It's the safest SUV for senior drivers available in 2026, according to IIHS crash and visibility testing, where it scored near perfect across the board. Beyond safety, the Aviator is genuinely comfortable. Standard adaptive suspension smooths out road imperfections, and an optional air glide suspension takes that further. Heated seats, a quiet cabin, and a well-positioned seat height make long drives feel easy. It's the most expensive SUV on this list, but it pairs the highest safety credentials with top-tier comfort. If budget allows, no other vehicle on this list matches what the Aviator delivers on both counts. If you're budget conscious, start with the Trax or Encore GX. For the best balance of safety, reliability, and fuel economy, the RAV4 and CR-V are hard to beat. If all-weather confidence is a priority, the Forester or Outback makes sense. And if you want the best safety rating available right now, the Lincoln Aviator is in a class of its own. Drop a comment with which SUV fits your situation. And if you want a side-by-side comparison of any two models on this list, let us know, and we'll cover it next.